Hello and welcome to the channel, and today's video is a greeting cards folder organisation hack. So let's get started. So for this hack, all you need is a pack of A4 punched pockets, some dividers, either 1 to 12 or with months on, an A4 folder, a label making machine, and your greetings cards. So I'll just put you on a little time lapse so you can see what I'm going to do, but basically take your punch pocket, put it in your folder with your divider, make your labels, and then add the relevant cards into the wallets. So first of all, you take your punch pocket, your label machine, you type your label, you stick your label onto your punch pocket, select the greeting card that you want to use for that person, and just pop it in the wallet. As simple as that. And then you take an A4 folder, add all your punch pockets, and put your dividers in between. And then you've got each of the months with the relevant cards. So that's it, all finished, all completed, a whole year's worth of greeting cards. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.